Hi guys, you are welcome to another video tutorial where I'll be showing you how to disable or enable internet access on your mobile phone for third parties, maybe kids or friends and families. Okay, if you don't want them to have access to your internet, you can actually disable your internet using a VPN. First off, you need to have a VPN actually. So once you open your phone, okay, this is my phone, so you're going to need a VPN. I have Express VPN, which I'm going to be using for this for the purpose of this video. Okay, so you open the Express VPN here and then you connect. All right, once your Express VPN is connected, then you go to your phone and search for settings. Okay, go to the settings on your phone. All right, another way to go to settings is to swipe down this and click on setting at the top right. Okay, so on the setting area you find this more connection, just click on it. Okay, then at the top you find this airplane mode, and the second thing there, the second option there is your VPN. So you just click on the VPN. Okay, then click on OK and then go back. Now we connected Express VPN, so therefore you are going to select the settings of the Express VPN. Okay, so you select the settings. Now you see this always on VPN. That means you want your VPN to be on always, so you select always on VPN. Then the next thing there, the next option there is block connection without VPN. Okay, so whenever your connection, your VPN is turned off, definitely no one will have access to your internet. So you turn this on. Okay, it's on now. So let's go to our browser. Let's go to Chrome browser and then type big deal. Okay, you can see we have access to the internet now. All right, so if you want to disable this access, you have to go back to your VPN again. Okay, and then disconnect your VPN. Once your VPN is disconnected, once you go to the browser again, just refresh, you find out that you no longer have access. As it is, no one can send you any message. You can't receive any message on this mobile phone. You can't browse anything. You can't even go to any social media to check anything. It's not going to work. Okay, all right, let's quickly open my True Social to try to confirm what I'm talking about. This is my True Social. You can see something went wrong. Try again. That is because the internet, the access to internet has been disconnected. Okay, let me try to connect again and see what happened to my True Social. All right, so I just connected and let me refresh. All right, you can see I have regained access to my True Social. So that is basically how you enable and also disable your internet access, the internet access on your Android phone. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so that whenever I drop a video like this, you will be the first to be notified. Subscription is absolutely free. You can also drop a comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.